Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Nissan Altima? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Altima. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2023 Nissan Altima's engine compartment fuse box houses critical fuses and relays for systems like the engine control, cooling fans, and headlights. It features a protective cover with a labeled diagram for easy identification. The box ensures safe distribution of electrical power to key engine components. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2023 Nissan Altima's passenger compartment fuse box is located under the dashboard, to the left of the steering wheel near the driver's footwell. It is concealed by a removable plastic panel for easy access. This fuse box controls various interior electrical components, such as lights, audio systems, and power windows.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.